Hey Asif, good morning. Hope all good with you, and just want to say really happy, to know about a digital training platform. It's pretty amazing. I'm pretty sure it's gonna motivate and help and benefit, to a lot of people. By the way, with your training program, I was able to acquire, a job in one of the top multinationals, which is pretty amazing. Thanks for that. And also post joining, I've ensured implementation, and so far, within a span of 3 years, I've drastically grown to a process specialist position, and it's not just 3 years. It's ongoing and many more to go. So thanks for that. I would definitely recommend you guys, Asif's human empowerment program, which seems great, and all his learnings, would certainly help you guys, deliver stuff and have a great career ahead. So thank you once again, Asif. Thanks a ton. God bless you. Stay safe and stay healthy. Tara.